Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how to pin someone on Snapchat Android. Earlier this feature was only available on iOS devices. Now that Snapchat has updated the feature, so it is available on Android as well. So then in order to access that feature, make sure to update your application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. First of all, open up your application. So once you open up your Snapchat application, so then tap on the chat icon or the chat page in the bottom left corner. So right over here, you'll have to select the contact that you actually want to pin their conversation. So all you have to do is just simply tap on the username, just long press on it. So once you long press on it, you can see right in center there's a pop-up. So over here, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on chat settings. So once again, there's a pop-up and you can see right on the second option there is pin conversation. So all you have to do is just simply tap on it and you can see right on top that there is a pin icon, which means that this person has been pinned. So that is how you can pin someone on Snapchat. In case you don't have an option such as pin conversation, then what you can do next is that just simply do the same process, long press on the user ID or the username. And after that, do the same process, tap on chat settings. And now all you have to do is just tap on pin shortcut to home screen. Just tap on it and you can even give a name or you can just simply tap on add. Now all you have to do is tap on done and then go back to your home screen. So you can see that this person has been added to my home screen, which means that this is a shortcut. As you tap on it and you'll be directed into their chat page. So that is how you can pin someone on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.